Today we are making a field goal post exhaust and have people kicking footballs through it. This is Kevin. Kevin drives his blue Acura Integra. Sometimes Kevin thinks he's Tony Montana. Earlier Justin was doing some pull-ups and Kevin was talking a little shit.
Go to the gym every day, you can't do
Kevin, get out of my face, Kevin.
Come on, Justin.
So Justin challenged Kevin to do 5 pull-ups. If Kevin can't do it, Justin's gonna put a huge, yellow, obnoxious field goal post exhaust on Kevin's blue Integra.
I got your step stool. Give me 5. 5 big ones.
1.
Don't even got the grip right.
Let's go 3.
Can we get 4? Got one more.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No. I can't.
You can't give me 5, bro.
Ah.
Nope. You know what time it is. Deal's a deal. Bet.
What's your concern?
I don't know if we should do the post right up the middle because then it won't be centered in the car, or we do the inlet over here. I don't know if this is gonna hold up. This might be the heaviest one yet. I don't know. To be honest, Mike, I don't care if it holds. That's a bet. I'm not done. That's a bet, bro. That's a bet. That's a bet. Am I right?
You're right.
All right, come on. You gotta hold
57 yards. Number 8 block kick can go the other way too. He's got to be careful to get it up. On the way. Hey, right down the middle and good.
Let's go for a spin.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's go.
Yo! Come here. I have this football. I'm gonna give you $1 if you could kick it through the field goal post.
Yes, 1%. This shit's wide.
If this video is dope so far, send this to only in Broward and World Star. Let's pull over and kick a field goal. You down? Yeah. Let's hit the dollar store. Alright.
¡Viva la raza, coño, cabrón! Oh, you want to kick a field goal? You want to kick a field goal?
Let's go give these socks to the homeless people. Who wants to kick a field goal through this for some socks? Kick a field goal. If you make it, you get some socks. Let's see if he has. A lot of people think they have, but they don't have it. My boy had to put on some shoes. Right, so let's check it out. He has one. He has the golden toe. The golden toe. What's your?
Wait, I'm cheering.
Huh?